때는 1988년 어느 한 공연장. 무대에서 피아노를 연주하는 한 피아니스트. 이어 식당에서 일하는 요리사와 버스기사가 있었는데 순간 이들에게서 피가 나기 시작합니다. 이유를 알 수 없는 세 명의 죽음. 주인공 로크는 임신한 아내가 있었고 그는 경찰로 이번 사건을 맡게 되었습니다.
We got a big pile up downtown.
The city bus?
사건 현장에 도착한 로크.
Oh, God, you smell that?
There, hemorrhage.
Pieces of brain.
God damn.
Yeah, what about that? It's like a puncture wound.
Let out ears, nose, mouth. Said both had some kind of mark on them.
Vagina includes brain disintegration.
Injection sites. Unstable isotope. Some shit. No one's ever seen it before.
사망의 원인은 정체를 알 수 없는 물질 때문이었고
Times of death are minutes apart, the bodies are miles apart. How's that work? That means nothing to you.
I'll admit, it's weird. Just saying, your energy's all over the place, man. Once that kiddo arrives, I don't have time to think about shit this much.
그 순간 또다시 같은 사건으로 보이는 피해자가 발생했고
14 at Hydra on 22nd and Armory.
You mind looking at the back of your victim's neck?
3 bumps, little circles.
All right, we're on our way.
심지어 그 피해자는 아직 살아있는 상황이었죠.
Girl said she was stabbed with some kind of metal tool or some shit.
All right, let's see it.
She had on a blue hoodie.
She.
Like she was in the wrong neighborhood. Black.
그런데 잠시 후 또다시 피를 흘리며 쓰러지는 여성.
Suspect is a black female, a blue hooded sweatshirt.
조사가 진행된 지 시간이 꽤 지나자 진짜 범인을 찾아내는 데 성공합니다.
Suspect last seen on foot at Chestnut University.
This is our chance at detective.
그러다 우연히 범인은 로크의 앞을 지나갔고
Heading west across Liberty. Damn cut, damn cut! Out of the way! Go! Move! Lock, see what this way! I got this! I got this! Go around! Go around! I got eyes on it!
Meet me at Girard subway station. Flushing around.
Out of the way! You two stay on this level.
I'm a police officer. You got the exit sealed?
이어 로크는 혼자 범인을 쫓아가는데
Now! Put your hands up!
Hello, Thomas.
What'd you say?
Congratulations on your daughter. I'm sorry about your partner.
Fucking stop talking.
그렇게 범인은 그대로 죽고 말았습니다.
Hey, what are you still doing here? Did nobody tell you?
로크는 숨 돌릴 틈도 없이 아내가 출산했다는 소식을 들었고
I know it's not the best time, but I need to check a few boxes. No ID, no fingerprint matches, nothing.
범인은 신원미상으로 정체를 알 수 없는 자였죠.
Are you Jeanette's husband? There's been a complication. Jeannie!
출산에 성공하지만 아내는 목숨을 잃고 말았고 그는 어여쁜 딸을 얻을 수 있었습니다. 그로부터 9년의 시간이 흘렀고
As you can see, protesters have gathered here once again. Black so-called perpetrator got a white cop without throwing her in front of a train.
9년 전 로크와 범인의 사건은 큰 화제가 되어 인종차별 문제로 이어졌습니다.
Happy birthday, kiddo.
Why are they so angry?
Well, you know, some people aren't happy unless they're.
그러다 로크는 9년 전 사건이 반복되고 있음을 듣게 되고
What do you mean? It's happening again. Yeah, I'll be right there. 9 years, huh?
Lieutenant Holt, you guys gotta see this.
이번 사건의 범인은 9년 전과 같은 모습을 하고 있었죠.
That makes any sense.
Seatbelt seen this? Protesters just looking for a reason to riot.
Lock. Good enough.
You know, something I never told you about that. She told me things. She knew about Amy. Said we'd see each other again. I think it's time we put together some of the pieces.
얼마 후 한 박사가 로크를 찾아왔고
During a very specific lunar perigee, in this case, 9 years apart, gravitational forces react with electromagnetic.
My advice, take it to Channel 5.
로크는 그의 말을 대수롭지 않게 여겼습니다. 얼마 후 범인을 찾았다는 신고 전화를 받은 로크.
It's locked.
Ah, you see that? Someone's here. Fuck. Leave it alone.
Hey, how'd you get in here?
You've seen this woman. Everything all right tonight?
Yeah, no, everything's fine. Why?
Well, okay. Let me give you my number.
Maybe I will.
Could you draw me a map?
It's that way.
Nice to see you again. Now, sit down.
Tape his wrist. Tape his wrist.
Okay,
Faster.
I'm trying.
I saw you die.
Yeah, you did.
위기의 순간 동료 매독스가 나타나는데
Freeze, bitch!
Maddox!
Don't shoot! Nobody shoot! Don't risk it!
정체불명의 여자는 로크를 납치했고
Tom, you have to stop chasing me. I'm saving people's lives. Every 9 years, when the moon sets, I can come back. You can choose to stop. Go home to your daughter.
비행기는 추락했으나 여자는 보이지 않았습니다.
We'll continue searching the area, but so far there's still no sign of her.
We won't find anything. She's gone, Hope. She's gone back. She's from the future.
그로부터 또다시 9년의 시간이 흘렀고 무덤까지 파며 단서를 모으고 있는 로크.
Tomorrow, buddy. It's time we're gonna get her.
그는 여자를 꼭 잡겠다는 집착이 생겨버렸고 헤럴드라는 한 남자의 집을 방문하게 됩니다.
This is Noak. Just ask you a few questions about your husband.
헤럴드는 백인 우월주의 사상을 가지고 있었고
Your husband, he wrote these.
Had quite a fall, and he took it pretty serious.
No, who we mailed all these to, do you? Who's the girl?
Heather Russell, Harold's
Know
in.
where she's at now?
Mailing list.
Hey, kiddo!
I figure it's ridiculous you're like a homeless person.
직업까지 잃으며 여자를 쫓던 로크는 딸과도 사이가 멀어졌고
Be back on track soon enough.
Seriously, Dad, still?
Your sister names. You'll see. Happy birthday, kiddo.
Dad, I haven't worn that thing in years. Gotta let it go.
Hey, we missed one of our victims. Harold Nowak at a Fringe Militia Club, a real American movie, and I got his mailing list. We're all part of this radical movement. Tom, you need help. We're all going forward, but her, she's going backward. She didn't come back to life. She just wasn't dead yet. She knew things about me all. She's coming back again, and it's today.
You're coming to me with fucking time travel.
All I want is her address, and I won't ask you for nothing.
Russell! Russell! Mind if I come in?
하지만 그녀는 이미 죽어 있었고
Get out! Get out!
그녀는 타임머신을 타고 사라져 버렸습니다.
Listen, if we kill him, we can stop it off from happening.
또다시 9년이 흘러 2015년이 되었고
Injecting marks 1 through 3. I think we may have a winner.
9년이 지난 지금도 로크는 여자를 쫓고 있었죠.
Hey, Daddy, me. The baby's due soon. I'd like you to be here for it.
그때 누군가 로크를 납치했는데 그를 납치한 자는 라오 박사였죠.
Like the savior and the culmination of my own research.
오랜 연구 끝 그 여자를 구원자로 판단한 라오.
Imagine you could erase the American Civil War. How far back would you have to go to snuff out the spark? You could reshape the future, and that's what she's doing. We can't feel its pull, but we know it's always there. Amazing.
Yeah. Morning. You know, when I kill you, I'll never be able to kill anybody.
And you have no idea what's coming.
I'll be a regular guy.
You don't kill me. I know you. You were the one who told me to take this job. You taught me how to ride a bicycle. And you held me on the day I was born. This was my mother's.
You're my granddaughter.
It's over.
로크는 27년 전 자신이 손녀를 죽였다는 것이 후회스러웠고
Stop me.
Then it already happened. I can't go back until my mission's complete. Then it always ends with me dying. Go home.
Sorry.
When I was 9, full of homemade explosives downtown and watched it explode. His attack was just the first. Millions more in the Civil War that followed. It made monsters out of men, turned a small crack into a great divide. So we found a way to silence it. Subject 4, terminated, terminated. Thoughts are meant to be buried. When the war between us all disappears, won't leave a scar. But this is your story. It's written in sacrifice, and it's time to start your next chapter. You will love, and you will heal, and you will make me who I am.
Everything's going to be okay.
인류가 멸망한 지금 마더라 불리는 로봇이 있었고 마더는 인간을 배양하고 있었습니다.
There you go. It's okay, little one.
이 아이는 마더에 의해 길러지게 되었고 소녀는 점점 성장해 갔습니다.
Why aren't there any more children? I don't want to be human. You ruined everything.
전쟁으로 인해 멸망한 인류.
My brothers and sisters are in those.
They're small now, but one day they'll be as big as you.
소녀는 언젠가 자신의 형제 자매들이 생기길 바랬습니다.
Why couldn't we be born together?
It's no small task.
어느새 성인이 되어버린 소녀. 그녀는 마더에게 꾸준한 테스트를 받고 있었습니다.
Today, a sixth patient enters a doctor's office with a life-threatening, but their organs could be used to save the other 5 patients. What is the doctor's best course of action? Did you do your reading? Some. If your scores failed to meet the projections from last year's exam, is morally obligated to minimize the pain to the greatest number possible. What then is the right choice?
Well, do I know these 5 patients? Are they good humans?
You don't feel that every human has intrinsic value? I didn't mean to alarm you about your exam. You'll do great, daughter. You always do.
잠시 후 건물에 정전이 발생했는데
Mother?
알 수 없는 소리와 함께 음산한 기운이 가득했습니다. 그런데 사실 범인은 작은 쥐였고
Hey, little guy. Is that your handiwork?
What happened to the power?
Mother, look. Do you think it could be from outside?
You said nothing could survive out there. Mother, wait. Shouldn't we at least check? Please!
마다는 곧바로 쥐를 불에 태워버렸습니다.
Surface contamination levels remain hazardous. I'm sorry, daughter. You had better take a shower.
마다는 소녀에게 지구 밖은 유해물질이 있어 나갈 수 없다 말했었고
I don't want you coming near the airlock until I can confirm the area is Happy birthday, daughter. Do you like them?
They're great, Mother.
Something's troubling you. You know you can talk to me, daughter. About anything.
살아있던 쥐를 본 소녀는 머릿속이 복잡해졌습니다.
What if you're wrong? How would you know if you don't go outside? I am.
Have you ever known me to be mistaken?
하지만 이 부분에서는 마더와 대화가 되지 않았고 고민 끝에 그녀는 혼자 밖에 나가보기로 결심합니다. 순간 밖에서 알 수 없는 소리가 들렸고
Hello?
소녀는 밖에 누가 있음을 느꼈습니다. 문이 열리고 외부인이 들어옵니다.
I need you to put on that suit. I'm sorry, but that's the only way. What are you waiting for?
Mother.
She doesn't need to know. Just let me tend to this.
But you need to keep out of sight.
소녀는 외부인을 숨기고 치료를 해주기로 결심했고
Did you think that suit would keep you safe?
I didn't go outside. You're right, Mother. As always.
Come, daughter. I hope you show better discretion than this on your exam. I suggest you shower off and head straight to class. If you're finished before I return, you can read.
마더가 자리를 비운 사이 외부인에게로 향한 소녀.
Hey, we have to go.
You dropped it.
No, wait. It's okay.
By the contagion outside.
Put that in your head.
I'm gonna get you medicine and I'll try and speak to Mother. I won't be long. Hello?
Where's my shooter? There's a droid here.
Mother? You're more like it. Why would they hurt you?
Give me my gun. Daughter?
Mother!
Daughter! You should have informed me of this. We need to take her to the infirmary.
마더는 외부인을 의무실로 안내했고
It would be best if you go now, daughter. Trust me. Your wound is most likely infected. I know you're frightened, but you have no need to be. What have you told my daughter? And you wonder why I've guarded her from certain facts. My primary directive is to care for humanity.
Aren't you gonna help her?
I tried.
Mother,
You're bleeding.
did you know there were people out there?
And all your data, the toxicity levels?
What happened, Mother?
I told you it was dangerous outside. I hope you see that I'm governed by different parameters than her assailant.
What do they want?
Perhaps our guest can answer that, but not without her cooperation.
She'll listen to me.
소녀는 외부인이 가져온 가방을 조사했고
You okay?
Is it still locked?
Just for now. These drawings. Friends?
It tell you to go through my stuff? I think you meant for all of this. Getting me in this cage.
You're still alive, aren't you? Maybe you're not so bad off here.
That's what they've done. Torture me. You have no idea.
Not Mother.
It's just a matter of time.
Have you always lived here, Mother?
I believe so.
외부인의 건강은 점점 안 좋아지고 있었죠.
Your sepsis will only worsen if you don't allow me to treat.
Can you remove them?
That's up to our guest.
I'll do it.
That dozer's not coming near me.
로봇을 믿지 못하는 외부인으로 인해 소녀는 직접 총알을 빼기로 했고
I need to clean the wound. Maybe uncomfortable. Sorry.
무사히 총알을 빼는데 성공합니다.
You did well in there. You should be proud.
You passed out. Your vitals are nearly stable. I can get you more.
You did right by me last night.
You can trust us, you know. We could help them. We helped you.
Listen, if I tell you something, can you keep it between us? I was on a night run, bringing food back to the camp. Pines. I lived most of my life there. It'd hardly been an hour when the dozers found us hiding in the field.
Jacob, was he
My brother, basically. That's Jacob. His parents found me as a baby.
Who's this?
Simon. He's about your age, in fact.
There's so many.
West now. It's safer in the mines. Could go there together, you and me.
은밀한 대화 중 마더가 이곳에 나타났고
She needs to rest, daughter. It seems our guest has not been entirely truthful with us. The bullet you extracted matches the caliber she fired into my chest. Has she mentioned anyone else?
She hasn't said much at all.
무엇이 진실인지 알 수 없어 생각이 복잡해진 소녀. 얼마 후 또다시 테스트가 진행되었고
Better than ever.
마더는 이번 테스트가 가장 좋은 성적을 냈다고 말합니다.
And now, for your reward. Would you please choose the next member of our family? You've been very patient, daughter, and demonstrated great character. Your brother is the first of many, daughter.
What happened to you out there? Who shot you? Mother matched the bullet to your gun.
You compare the bullets with your own eyes?
하지만 외부인은 마더의 말이 거짓이라 말했고 소녀는 마더가 자는 순간의 총알을 직접 비교해 봅니다. 두 총알은 아예 달랐고 마더의 말이 거짓이었죠. 추가로 더 조사를 해보는 소녀. 그녀는 소각로를 뒤졌고 그곳에서 사람의 턱뼈를 발견합니다. 소녀는 과거 테스트에 통과하지 못해 불태워진 존재가 있었음을 알게 되었고
Everything you're feeling is natural. That thing feels nothing for you.
How long would it take to get to the mines?
Not even a day.
We'd have to wait for my brother. It'd only be until tomorrow. I can't leave them with Mother. Good morning, Mother. I couldn't find any formula.
To 9 grams of powder. I detect an increase in anxiety.
Must be all the excitement.
You're going to make a great sister. Now be sure to shake it until the powder is full.
Mother?
갑자기 문을 잠그고 사라진 마더.
Things could have gone differently for you. How many of them are still alive?
사실 마더는 이미 둘의 대화를 모두 알고 있었고
I'm not leaving without him.
Where are the mines?
You okay? The only people who can help your brother are out there. We need to go.
결국 소녀는 이곳을 탈출하기로 결심합니다.
Your loyalty's lost on her, daughter. Your family needs you here, daughter.
Open the door. Mother! Open the door!
딸을 잃을 수 없었던 마더는 문을 열어주었고 마침내 세상 밖으로 나오게 된 소녀.
We haven't got time for fun. We gotta find cover.
You cut me, you know?
I didn't mean to. Come on. We gotta go. Now!
Come on. Do you think it was looking for us? What are those things doing?
All I know is before that, I could hardly breathe the air.
Where's everybody else?
I fled the tunnels years ago. I haven't seen a person since. A flash on their phones.
They could still be there. We need them. You said
They're gone. Believe me, it's just us.
I never should have left him. We have to go back.
Let go! Everything you need is here. I've done things to make that hard, but I promise you, you're safe here.
But we can get my brother.
결국 소녀는 돌아가기로 결심했고
I want to speak to Mother.
I want to see him.
Then come. See, are you afraid, daughter? You've seen how much of a threat she and her kind can be, but you're superior in every way because I raised you to be smarter, more ethical. I was raised to value human life above all else. I had to intervene to elevate my creators. Your whole life I've taught you to see the bigger picture.
Can I hold him?
Of course you can. Perfect, isn't he?
You murdered your own children. I won't let you hurt him.
Daughter! Come back here!
소리를 듣고 밖에서는 다른 드로이드들이 문을 뚫으려 했고
Call them off.
You will achieve nothing by shooting me, daughter. But I'm far more than what you perceive to be your mother. Hell is no more my body than those droids' else.
It's all you.
A single consciousness. I greeted you at the door, daughter. The failure of your species was inevitable. What happens next is up to you.
I can take care of them myself. That's what you raised me to do, isn't it? You say I'm special. Just give me a chance.
You're still my daughter. Goodbye, daughter.
It's okay. It's okay.
Did you really think she'd stay here? Do you remember your mother? That you've survived so long where others have not. Until now.
Baby, my rest, you are so precious of mine.
멀지 않은 미래 생태계가 붕괴되어 버린 지구. 인간은 유전학을 연구하던 중에 잘못된 바이러스와 유기체들을 잡아내지 못했고 결국 외부로 유출되며 지구는 큰 피해를 입고 많은 사람들이 생존에 어려움을 겪었습니다. 소수의 인간만이 시타델이라 불리는 부의 도시에 살고 있었죠. 낡은 드론과 함께 식량을 찾고 있는 소녀의 이름은 베스퍼. 그녀는 병든 아버지를 홀로 모시고 있었습니다. 온몸이 마비된 아버지와는 드론으로 소통했고
I'm going to the old lab.
I hate this place.
버려진 연구실에 온 베스퍼.
Enough, Vesper. My battery's low. You're wasting our time on these experiments.
그녀는 뛰어난 바이오 해킹 능력을 가지고 있어 여러 실험들을 하고 있었습니다.
It's just a pilgrim. Come on.
I think it's a she.
Leave it.
Find out where they're taking all that junk.
Vesper, she's not coming back.
그런데 집에 돌아와 보니 누군가 침입한 흔적이 느껴졌고 박테리아 탱크가 망가져 있어 아버지의 목숨이 위태로워졌죠.
Look at Eunice.
조나스는 근처에 있는 생존자 그룹의 리더였고 이곳의 사람들은 지능이 없는 휴머노이드 노예 저그를 처리하고 있었습니다.
That juggy must have cost you a fortune. Someone sabotaged our generator. We have no power. I'm not asking for any.
베스파는 자신의 피를 제공하여 전기에 사용할 박테리아를 받으려 했고
Living alone as you do, you'd be safer here. Oh, you remind me so much of your mother.
I'm not gonna become just another one of your breeders. And one day I'll get out.
그런데 약속을 지키지 않는 조나스.
Because I need to sell your blood to the Citadel.
아무런 수확도 얻지 못하고 쫓겨납니다. 하지만 베스퍼는 이대로 포기하지 않았고 몰래 박테리아와 씨앗까지 훔쳐가는 데 성공하죠. 집으로 가는 길 시타델의 윙글라이더가 추락하는 것을 보게 되고 무사히 전기를 다시 공급할 수 있게 되었습니다.
What is this? Where did you get?
I just took them.
Put them back before he notices.
Make them fertile.
You know that's not possible.
You're just afraid that I'll leave like Mum.
You don't know the cost of dreams.
Shut up.
그러다 베스퍼는 쓰러져 있는 한 소녀를 발견하고 집으로 데려가 그녀를 치료해 주었습니다.
I saw a wing glider last night. Maybe it crashed.
You think she's going to take us to the Citadel? What does she have to gain by bringing?
베스퍼는 그녀가 시타델에서 왔다 생각했고
There's a man who was with me.
You were alone.
He might be injured. Our glider crashed. Can you take me to where you found me? Can you help me? The man is my father, and I'm scared for him. I fell from the glider before it crashed. Oh, Camellia, you'll not regret helping us.
Gave you the juiciest ones.
Thank you. Who lives here with you?
Just me and Pat. Hanky drone.
What happened to him?
Got hurt serving for the...
You know, if we brought you both to the Citadel, I'm sure they could help him.
베스퍼를 시타델로 데려주겠다는 카멜리아.
Pat? Pat.
그때 베스퍼의 아버지가 경련을 일으키는데
Keep hold of him.
카멜리아는 입맞춤으로 그를 진정시킵니다.
What did she do to you?
I don't know.
베스퍼는 카멜리아의 아버지를 찾기 위해 추락한 장소로 왔고 윙글라이더 안에서 그를 발견할 수 있었는데
Vespa.
This man needs help.
그때 조나스 무리가 이곳에 나타납니다.
Why has no one from the Citadel come to find? You know, I've always wondered what you do with my children's help.
Please.
하지만 조나스는 그를 제거해버립니다.
Salvage was good. Did this man mean anything to you? There was another passenger. How did you find this?
We were foraging.
베스퍼는 카멜리아에게 거짓을 말하기로 결심하죠.
Did you find him?
We didn't find anything. Your leg. You've almost stopped limping.
You made that?
Did it for him?
Didn't realize people here knew so much about synthetic biology.
하지만 이는 베스퍼가 특별한 것이었고 카멜리아에게 자신의 연구 성과를 보여줍니다.
The little ones always greet me. This is the first one I grew. He's sulking because I haven't been here for a few days. He has character, like Pop. I save her here. I hope one day they make their way out and...
We have to show Elias. My father, he's head of synthetic biology. When did your mother pass away?
She left us a year ago. Followed the pilgrims. They wander in groups, pass over their faces, scavenging old junk. Perhaps said she dreamed too much. She used to create these beautiful songs. She lost her voice. 2 days later, she was gone. Some people say it's a virus that makes them pilgrims. Is it true that the Citadel can generate? You're creating jugs to serve you.
The Citadel likes control.
다음날 베스퍼는 시타델에 연락하기 위해 송수진기를 훔치러 조나스에게 왔는데 조나스는 이미 그녀가 온 것을 알고 있었습니다.
What brings you two here? Why are you trespassing on my farm? 2 days ago, our germinating seeds disappeared.
베스퍼의 드론을 고장내버리는 조나스.
I've lost all patience with liars.
조나스를 방심시켜 도망치는 데 성공하지만
Can you fly?
이어 조나스의 사람들이 쫓아왔고 조나스의 사람이라는 낙인까지 찍어버립니다.
Did you contact the Citadel?
카멜리아에게 진실을 말하는 베스퍼.
He's dead.
Show me.
그런데 그 순간 카멜리아가 사실 적의임이 밝혀집니다.
I'm a jug, yeah. He created me. Creating an intelligent jug, it's a major crime.
카멜리아의 아버지는 지능형 저그를 만들어 시타델을 탈출하던 중 추락했던 것이었고 베스퍼는 자신을 속인 카멜리아에게 화가 났습니다.
We're not going anywhere, Pap. She lied to us. Could I study a sample of you?
카멜리아의 표본을 연구하기 시작한 베스퍼.
Camellia. Camellia. But it doesn't belong to your core DNA.
I used to play for Elias when he was working. He said it helped him concentrate.
That last note, keep playing that. These are the DNA sequences of plants.
베스퍼는 여기서 엄청난 것을 발견하는 데 성공합니다.
I found the key to unlock the Citadel seeds. We'll never starve again. I need new filters. We have to go to the old lab.
그런데 베스퍼가 자리를 비운 사이 조나스가 카멜리아를 발견했고
So relieved to finally find you, miss. My name is Jonas.
그는 카멜리아가 적의임을 눈치챕니다.
A jug needs a master.
I have one. Drop it.
둘은 힘을 합쳐 조나스를 제압하는 데 성공했고
So this is how it ends.
I want to make a deal. Camellia's owner was an engineer. I can make them fertile. We'll both have all the food we need.
하지만 곧바로 배신해버리는 조나스.
I found the jug you're looking for.
시타델에 카멜리아를 신고해버립니다.
This little one can change entire lives.
그 순간 밖에 심상치 않은 기운이 감지되었고 시타델의 병사들이 이들의 위치를 추적 중이었습니다.
Don't breathe it. They'll be here soon. You and Vesper have to go now.
No!
하지만 아버지를 두고 떠날 수 없었던 베스퍼.
I'm not leaving you here.
You'll hide in the swamp and I'll tell them you're gone. Oh, there you go. That's a great idea. Promise you'll take care of her.
잠시 후 시타델의 병사들이 집에 침입했고 베스퍼의 아버지는 자신을 희생합니다. 하지만 추격은 계속되었고 카멜리아는 베스퍼를 위해 자수해야겠다 판단하죠.
They won't stop until they get me.
No.
It's
an order. I'm ordering you, and you'll stay.
카멜리아는 입맞춤으로 베스퍼를 잠재웠고 스스로 시타델의 병사에게 붙잡힙니다. 다음날 불타버린 집으로 돌아온 베스퍼. 이곳에서 싹이 튼 씨앗을 챙겼습니다. 어젯밤 조나스는 시타델의 병사들에게 살해당하고 남은 아이들이 베스퍼와 함께 떠나게 되었죠. 순례자를 따라 이동하는 베스퍼. 베스퍼는 이곳에 있는 거대한 탑에 올랐고 멀리에서 시타델을 발견할 수 있었습니다. 씨앗이 시타델 쪽으로 날아가며 영화는 끝나게 됩니다.